Hi everybody, this is Jessica of Jessica Lynn Original, and today I'm going to feature a brand new digital stamp that you can download from our website. It is our Velociraptor, and she's got a beautiful floral head wreath. I was very inspired by a lot of the art where you see the animals with the flowers on their heads, and I thought, why couldn't a dinosaur have flowers on its head? So I'm going to go ahead and color this in, and then we will turn her into a card. I think she looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get out my brother's Scan and Cut, and I am going to go ahead and set it up to cut her out. Now, again, this is a digital stamp, so there aren't any die cuts or anything, but the brother Scan and Cut will actually go in, scan the image that I just colored, find all of the edges, and then what it'll do is it'll come back and say, okay, well, how much of that do you want me to crop out and cut? So basically what it's doing is it's finding the edges of what a die cut would do. So you can see it shows up on the screen, and I did change it to color so that it was able to find her all colored in. And then I'm just going to zoom in because my mat is getting a little Well, loved. Let's go there. It's not as sticky as it once was, so I had to use some tape to kind of hold it on. Not a big deal. It'll just cut around it. But then what it'll do is it'll come back and find the image. Let me just show you how that looks. And then what I'm going to do is hit OK. And I'm going to choose to outline her, and I'm going to add a 0.04 white border all the way around. And then I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit OK again. And then I'm going to make sure she is all lined up and ready to go. And then I'm going to say, go ahead and cut. Now this is my favorite part because all of a sudden this beautiful digital image, and if you've never used a digital stamp before, I will link up in the upper right hand corner. There's a little like I, little letter I in the detail, and I'll put how to use a digital stamp if you've never done it before. You just download them, print them off, and you color them in. It's super easy. And you can see my brother Scan and Cut is doing its best job to find all the lines, and it's cutting this out as though I was using a die cut. Now let me show you how beautiful this looks. I am so excited. Look at this. Watch. I'm going to pull this off the page. I'll peel the other piece off in a minute, but I just want to show you. Look at the detail. Right up along all those lines and all those edges. I love it. All right. So from here, we're going to go ahead and actually make a card. And I found the paper that I really like, which came from the Rustic Wedding 6x6 pack. And again, I got that from Cat Scrappiness in one of her grab bags. So super cool. I've been able to make a couple of cards using the paper that I got from a grab bag. So love that. And all I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and I put glue on the card, and then I'm going to glue this on because I'm going to make it just one solid background. And the stamp set that I'm using is actually from Mama Elephant. It's one of my favorite. My ink is close to my, close to my heart. And I'm just gonna ink it up, and then I'm gonna put it down in the bottom right hand corner. And then what I'm gonna do is I use these foam risers that I put on the back of my Velociraptor. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of visually adjust her where I want to put her on the card. So I'm super excited. I think this is gonna turn out great. Well, as the owner and artist of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, I absolutely love seeing these cards come to life. It starts off just the line art and then turns into these beautiful images, and it's always so satisfying to see the process from start to end. If you like what I've drawn here and you want to go and download this dinosaur, whatever, is available on our website, which is just JessicaLynnOriginal.com. And you can search dinosaur, Velociraptor, any of those good things. It's under our digital images section, and she is ready to go today. Be sure to go take a look. And if you make anything, don't forget to use the hashtag JessicaLynnOriginal, and we will definitely share it on our Instagram. And again, as the artist, I always feel the need to continue to add and add more to it. But I think this card is a lot of fun. I love it. I love making cards and owning this YouTube channel. I have always wanted a small business. It's been one of my passions my entire life, and it means the world to me that you're here with me today. So if you like what I'm doing, please go ahead and click on the lower right-hand corner. There's a little subscribe button. We'd love to have you join Jessica Lynn Original again here on YouTube. I thank you again, and I hope you have a great day.